Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly remove pollutants from your character after doing Ocean's cleanup in Heartopia. So, in this new Call of Wheels event, there's a new hobby that called Ocean's Cleanup. And then while cleaning the oceans, your character can become contaminated with pollutants like this that mark with the dark dots like this on your body, and then when that happens your energy will drain much faster, so you need to remove the pollutions as soon as possible. And there are three easy ways to clean yourself like this. First, you can just simply take a bath or washing up to wash away the pollutants. And then second, you can ask a friend for help. They can use their Ocean Purifier to remove the pollutant from your character. And then for the fastest and easiest method is to go to the cleaning elements near that scattered in this map, in this Whalefall Canyon. Just interact with this element canyon. It has a blue color like that. You can see it. It has a blue color with the effect like this, and then just interact with it, and just like that your character will automatically clear like this, and all of your pollutants will disappear instantly like this. And okay, that's it. Now you can get back to Ocean's cleanup without worrying about your energy draining too fast. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.